Welcome to the sexual reproduction in plants part 2. During the formation of megaspore, the concept is megasporogenesis. During megasporogenesis, a megaspore mother cell undergoes 3 series of successive meiosis and it produces 8 nucleated stage. So it is called 7-celled 8 nucleated stage. What happens here? In case of 7-celled 8 nucleated stage, this is something like this. This beautiful structure depicts three antipodals, 2 polar nuclei, 1 megaspore ovum with 2 help cells or synergids. This is integument, rather outer integument. This is inner integument. This is nucellus. Actually, whenever we are explaining 7-cell stage, 1, 2, 3, these 3 are the antipodals. These 2 are the 2 polar nuclei. This is the central cell. Rather, this is ovum. The 2 are help cells or synergids. So, as a consequence, if you count the cell number, the cell numbers will go to 7 cells, including the central cell, and 8 nuclei containing the 2 polar nuclei of the central cell. As soon as this double fertilization is concerned, the concept of double fertilization is actually meaning not a fertilization but a system of triple fusion. How triple fusion occurs? The tip of the pollen tube contains 1 tube cell with 2 male gametes. So this tube cell finally degenerates and the 2 male gametes definitely take part in fertilization. Regarding fertilization, there are 2 events. First one is generative syngamy. During this generative syngamy, 1 male gamete fuses with 1 female gamete, that is the male gamete and this is the female gamete, forming to an embryo. The second phase is vegetative syngamy, where actually we are getting the n plus n will make a 2n as diploid definitive nucleus plus an n of the male gamete forming 3n as the primary endosperm nucleus. During this primary endosperm nucleus formation, as I am getting 3 fusion number 1 with n plus n forming 2n, fusion number 2 with n plus n forming 2n, but this is supposed to be the definitive nucleus. And during fusion number 3, another male gamete is associated to be fertilized with the 3n. And they are making 3 events of fusions, 1, 2 and 3, and that the name goes to triple fusion nucleus. So, whenever we are discussing the triple fusion, endosperm formation is recorded. Naturally, we will ask definitely about the types of endosperm. There are 3 distinct types. Number 1, it is nuclear. Number 2, it is cellular. And number 3, it is halobial. So if you ask me what are the 3 types, nuclear one is supposed to be originated after repeated free nuclear division. Cellular one is supposed to be associated with repeated cytokinesis, and halobial one is differentiated with upper micropilar and lower salazal end. For testing your understanding of this lesson and more videos, log on to www.tubelessons.net.